Got my 2017 Honda Rancher TRX 400 FGA. It just turned over 4,213 miles. We did some mods to it. We got a quiet muffler. The muffler was getting loud, the original muffler, and it was scaring the deer. That original muffler is like $300 and something, $350, plus insulation. I got that muffler at the flea market for $5, and a welder welded all this to the original one for $20. If you try to put a different muffler on, it has to be fuel tuned, and if it's not right, it won't run right. So I just had a second muffler put on, so I didn't have to worry about that fuel tuning stuff. This muffler's stainless steel. I got it at the flea market for $5. And it sat in my backyard for maybe 10 years out in the rain, never rusted. There it is right here. Maybe 8 feet away. We got 4,213 miles. Where's the hours? 290.8 hours. Oh, I made this too. It's for the thumb fatigue. It's a piece of rubber that goes over the original, so you can, watch this. My thumb was getting messed up from going like this all the time. This right here lets you grab down there and not on the thumb. I like this Rancher, it's been good. (2007). I put that Harley Davidson mirror on there too, so I can see what's behind me. They come off a big full dresser Harley Davidson. What else? The tires. Those wheels and tires I got from a Honda dealership in Florida. They were a brand new takeoffs. I gave $150 for all 4. I kind of wish I would have got 2 sets and sold another set of 4 for $300 or $400. I'm filming with my phone. We're here at the Green Swamp in Florida. Look how pretty this is. I seen an alligator out there yesterday. It's so pretty here. I don't know if those taillights are LED or not. Maybe they're not. They're bright though. All I run is Mobil 1 full synthetic motorcycle racing oil. I'm not sure the weight. I kind of think it's 1040. 10W40.